In any case, this is my point, is that, see, I thought about it. See, that depending on where it's coming from, right? See, if you read in the introduction, I suddenly grasped, who and what I am, blah, 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 like a bubble burst, right? It's horseshit, right? See, I mean, there's lots of people that would just say horseshit, right? It's right off. Oh, bullshit. Have nothing to do with it. But, and I have to go back and look at it because I don't remember. It's too long ago. Well, it's right here. Anyway, but depending on the lead-in, you see, it's like how you present the story. Oh, that's good. Good. See, it grounds it a little bit. There we go. Okay, blah, zoom. Yeah, a little accomplishment. Yeah. Oh, some background, some context, etc. Okay, good. That's good. Blah, blah. Okay. At least you got to ground it so that the person can relate to it like themselves in some way, right? And then you go, bleh, you throw this shit on them, and they go, oh, that's interesting. Maybe I could do that or something like that, right? See, now I'm not as good at that as, say, Eckhart Tolle. See, Eckhart Tolle, what's he do? And I know very little about him. I don't really care. But his Book of Now, see? And he starts, he's incredibly depressed, right? See? Now, a lot of people can relate to that, okay? See? And he sounds worse than you, all right? It's like, probably. And it's like, oh, that guy's really in a bad way. Jesus fucking Christ, this guy's really down and out, like that, right? See? Okay. Now you're relating. He's like that. And he goes, da 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 da, and then boom! And you go, whoa, hey, that sounds good. Okay, see? And it's like it's grounded first, right? See? In this story that you can relate to. And then he goes, and then boom, I had got now or some shit like that, right? And guess what? It's really good. Okay? Want to know more about that shit? Keep reading. kind of deal, right? See? And that gets the people, involved. All right.
Hi, I'm Brendan Lee, and I've been studying with Peter Ralston for 20 years. I really want you to know that no matter how many videos you watch or books you read, it pales in comparison to the power of the live workshops that we host here at the center or on Zoom. If you want to get serious and do work that makes a real difference, please check the links in the description to learn more. Thank you.